What's up? What's up? Good morning. Hopefully everyone's ready for another day here. We have Lucy here curling up off the lows after that crazy move on Friday. Sold off yesterday, now kind of bouncing off this previous pre-market high level. Not sure how much higher it's going to go. Yeah, it looks like we're bouncing right off this pre-market level from Friday. Definitely has some resistance to the upside. That's definitely for sure. Not sure how strong it's going to be, or if it's just going to be a little pop. We also have RSLS, which is our leading gapper today. RSLS. Let's take a look here. RSLS here, 23 million shares outstanding. Let's take a look here at the float. $23 million share float. So, a little bit on the bigger side, but I would still trade it if you have decent volume, which so far 62 million shares traded, which is pretty decent. Up 120%. Let's see if there's news on it. Reshape Life Sciences trading higher. The company announced that it received a notice of allowance for its U.S. patent application. So patent news. So sometimes, that's pretty decent. Patent news tends to be, can tend to be pretty good from time to time. So we'll see if this one does continue. We can take a look at the daily levels. So if we look at the 180-day chart, so far we topped out at 55.55, which puts us right here. We have a previous high here, it looks like, topping out at 59. I have to charge my mouse. This thing's not working anymore. 1 second. Good morning, guys. What's up? So today, T+1. So I assume all cash count traders. I'm not sure if I haven't verified it yet, but those cash count traders out there, do you guys have your full account balance ready to trade again today? So we have another level here at 59, and then all the way up here at $1.10. Somewhere up in here. I didn't have my full balance yesterday, but today I do. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. That'll definitely, put you in a little bit of a better position for cash account traders who are trying to grow to a PDT account, because essentially you'll have a lot more funds to trade with to get there. BNAI, someone's calling out here. Let's take a look. BNAI. Ben shares are trading higher. The company announced 4.9 million private placement appointed to Paul Chang to co-CEO. Okay, so private placement news. This one just came out at 8 and then 8. But it didn't really hold up its highs here. I'm not sure if this is going to be like a continuation here. All settled. That was weird. Yeah. Nice. So yeah, BNAI. I think if we can break over 2 and hold, then I'd probably want to take a look at it. And we'll see where this ends up here. Pre-market. If we can break 2 before the open and kind of hang around in this area, we definitely have a good shot of breaking 239. GVH. Let's take a quick look at the float. So BNAI is 15 million share float. GVH, 3 million share float on GVH. That's pretty good. Let's take a look at this news. Shares trading higher. The company announced an MOU to acquire Top Logistics. Enters. Let's see. Enters MOU to make equity investment. Financial terms not disclosed. Yeah, so it's an acquisition. The only thing is acquisition news doesn't most of the time, say more often than not, doesn't really give a big move with acquisition. CCG. Did we trade this one? I think this is the one that we traded a couple months ago, right? Yeah, back in here. No, that was just pre-market. That's crazy though. Holy crap! This thing went from what, $3.80 all the way up to $22 and then faded all the way back down. Maybe we did trade that. CCG. CCG. Let's take a look at the float. Good morning, guys. What's up? 21 million shares on CCG. 75 mil outstanding. Do not see any news on this one. Maybe. Yeah, I don't see any news. So far, I don't know anything obvious yet. Maybe, I guess, RSLS. But we're breaking below VWAP here. Yo, did you trade SOBR? I did not trade SOBR. I think I looked at it though. Yeah, I looked at it, but I was already too late. Yeah, it gave definitely a decent move. Definitely gave a decent move. Lucy, take a look at Lucy again. CCG on September 23rd had multiple halts. Yeah. Lucy, let's take a quick look again. That's good. That's good. Maybe we can pull off something nice here. So, yeah, it looks like we got news. All right. Innovative Eyewear launches Eddie Bauer Smart Eyewear Collection with voice access to ChatGPT, featuring world's first rimless smart eyewear design. Actually, that sounds pretty dope. That sounds good. I think, whoops. Let's get out of that. All right. Yeah, I saw it popping up here. Literally, the first 1 minute candle that popped up. I should have just jumped on. I don't know what I was thinking. But we're up now to 55 cents. 56 cents. What was the news again on 2 days ago or Friday? There was no news. There was no news to account for that first move. I wonder if somebody like some big company, some bank or something knew about this. And they started just like buying shares. And then here's the real news. I honestly have no idea why this first move happened. It could have also just been straight short squeezes, but just off of technicals, but why would they do the offering? Yeah. I wonder what the float is now. Let's take a look here at the float on Lucy, how much it's changed. I'm seeing 17 million. So would they do an offering for 10 million shares? Let me see. $2 million registered direct offering. Does it say the price? Okay, so they offered up 5 million shares onto the market. So it was a 12 million share float. Now is a 15 million share float. Priced at 47 cents. Damn. At 47 cents, they put shares on. They sold shares onto the market. Damn. Who knows? I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if this one does make, a move, clearing out some of these levels here. But man, it's got a long way to go to $1.14. It definitely has a long way to go with another, 5 million share in the float, which is, I guess, isn't terrible, but it doesn't help. We'll see. I mean, it has decent volume so far. 1.3 million, 1.5 million. That's pre-market. So at the open, we're gonna have like 4 million, 5 million per 1 minute candle. Untethered Quest, just subscribe. Thanks, man. Happy to have you part of the community. Awesome stuff. The little avocado man. I love the little avocado man. The dancing avocado. TMI. Someone's calling out TMI. Is that a stock? People calling out? Nope, not a stock. I don't know what that means. Okay, we have Lucy. And we have RSLS. And again, we've been having a trend of these penny stocks making decent moves. So definitely have penny stocks on watch. Lucy, RSLS. What else is there? Lucy, RSLS. That's it. That's really all I see right now. Let me refresh the scans. GVH, but yes, that's the acquisition news. GVH. Yeah, I don't think that's going to be the one. If we break over $1, $1.12, which would be actually insane if it actually does this. We have room. We have like crazy room up to like $2, or maybe like 150. Yeah, we'll have room up to like 130 and then 160. I'd be very surprised though if this is something crazy. BNAI, some people are calling out BNAI. Yeah, so like I said, breaking over 2, kind of hanging out in that area right before the opening could be nice. Okay, so we already broke this, so I can get rid of this here. All right, nice, nice, nice. This is what I like to see here. BNAI could be the one here for the open. Let me test my my dash trader, see if it's working here. BNAI might just go for it here, which will be good to see. Which will be good to see for sure. I'm going to test my dash trader here and see if my fills are going through on this. We'll do one share. Yeah, well, fills are going through pretty good. Those are pretty instant. I can't really complain too much so far. It does say it's still in beta testing until June 1st. So we're still going to probably have those issues that I was having where Dash Trader still thinks I'm in the trade, but on Thinkorswim I'm out of the trade. So I can't use the flatten button. I have to use the Thinkorswim flatten button. Yeah, what I've been doing is like trying my best to trade on DAS, working around it, and then on some stocks, the Dash Trader will be so slow, and in that case, I'll just use Thinkorswim to execute, and in some cases, like Thinkorswim will be slower than DAS, and then I'll jump back to DAS. That's kind of how I've been doing it. So we got a nice breakout here, pulling back right underneath the high. We have the 200 EMAs at all the way up at $8, so we don't even need to worry about that yet. And on the 180-day 200 EMAs at 280, so it's looking pretty decent here, if I must say so myself. Looking pretty decent. I think we have a breakup into threes, maybe. Let's see here. Daily chart, if we can break pre-market high, we have room to 270. And then up here to 340. So definitely has some range on it, which is good. Spread, 1 cent spread, so I would be able to keep my risk pretty tight, which is good. I like that. Hopefully this is the one. Hopefully this is the one. Let me get some more coffee in me so I'm nice and alert. This could be an entry here for the bulls. This could be an entry for the bulls here. What would the volume on this? Pretty decent, 300K. That means we'll definitely do close to 2 million per 1 minute candle. This is my estimate. So as you guys are tuning out to focus on your trading, make sure you drop that like button on the way out and consider subscribing if you're new to the stream. BNAI looking good if it stays above VWAP. Yeah, absolutely. If we can stay above this pivot here at 205, it looks good. If we can stay above this level here, I think it's bullish. I think it's bullish. Feel like a hot day today? Yeah, I don't know. Honestly, it's hard to tell. It's honestly hard to tell. Some days it's like pre-market's really hot, and then after the open, it's just choppy and dead. And then some days pre-market is nothing. Like Friday, pre-market was nothing, and then Lucy just rips, man, just rips all day. So it's really hard to tell. That's why you have to be willing to flip on a dime. You have to be willing to go from hot to cold and cold to hot. And if you're not able to adjust in the moment, you're going to be the one either undercapitalizing on momentum or over trading and being over aggressive when there's no opportunity, or when the opportunity is choppy. BNAI, let's see here on the float again. 14, yeah, there's 15 million shares. I can check FinViz, see if the short, what the short percentage is. Sometimes that's good to know. Okay, so not a crazy high short float there, but 56% insider ownership. That's a good sign. That's a good sign. These employees are about to make bank. Actually, maybe not, because if they've been holding for like, they've been holding since the IPO, they're down big. Never mind. But yeah, 56% insider ownership is a good sign. All right, so we got about 3 minutes here to the open. A nice flag here. Pin bar here at the bottom, which is good sign for a potential reversal here off the low on the 1 minute. Maybe we see that 1 minute candle make a new high. This could be an entry for the bulls for the potential relative breakout here up to pre-market high. Let's see. Ideally, I want to see a hold this level. At the open, it's going to be volatile, so if we do break below this level, which we might, I need to see a quick reclaim. I need to see a quick reclaim and then go for the highs. But if we dump and we just start fading, volume is just fading, then that's it, man. Wrap it up. Don't want to be over trading that. All right, so we got 2 minutes left. Let's stay calm, cool, and collected. Nothing is ever guaranteed in the stock market, even though BNAI looks good. Honestly, like, we've seen stocks that look great coming into the open only to just dump 50 cents a share and just fade to the lows and never come back. So got to be prepared for anything. You know, this could be the one. This could also be just a quick pop here pre-market and then fade. So got to be always on your toes. Got to be willing to adapt. Got to be willing to cut your loss when you're wrong. And if you can do that, then you'll be able to survive. So good luck. Stay calm, cool, and collected. Let's get some green today. I'll catch you.